Hey everybody, Dave Moorhead here with another great vegan recipe for you. Today we're going to be making delicious vegan veggie burgers. This recipe comes from the amazing Gaz Oakley, also known as the Avant-garde Vegan. He is the most popular chef on YouTube, I believe. Every time I do a search for a vegan chef, he comes up as #1 with over 1 million views. So a lot of people know who he is. He is a very talented young chef, and not many people know this about him. He comes from Wales. Sorry.
Awkward.
No, not those Wales. This Wales. You know, the country with the town with the shortest name that is incredibly easy to pronounce. Let's all pronounce it together. And here's my ventriloquist version.
Llanfair pwllgwyngyll goger chwrndrobwll Llantysilio gogogoch.
All right, enough of the silliness, everyone. Let's get started with the recipe. Here are the ingredients. I will also list the ingredients down below the video. Preheat a non-stick frying pan and add the olive oil. When the pan is hot, add the onions, celery, and mushrooms, plus a little bit of salt and black pepper. Turn the heat to low and allow them to soften and lightly caramelize for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often. Remove the pan from the heat and add the mix to a blender with the remaining wet ingredients. Blitz the mixture until it's super smooth. In a large mixing bowl, add the Vital Wheat gluten. Pour the wet mixture into the bowl with the Vital Wheat gluten and stir with a fork until well combined into a dough. Knead the dough by hand for 10 to 12 minutes, as firm as you can. The harder you knead the dough, the more meaty the burgers will be when cooked. Too dry, add a little water. Too wet, add a little Vital Wheat gluten. The tougher you are when kneading, the more of a meat-like texture your burgers will have when cooked. Be firm. Once kneaded, it's time to form the dough into patties. The easiest way of doing this is to roll the dough out to approximately ½ an inch thick using a rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use your hands. That's what I did. The burgers expand when you steam them, so ensure the dough is no more than ½ an inch thick. Once your dough is rolled out, use a 4.33 inch or 11 centimeter ring cutter to cut your dough into burger shapes. You can re-roll and cut any trimmings you may have into extra burgers. I didn't have a ring cutter, so I used a burger patty maker and a small knife to cut the burger shapes from the dough. Steam the burgers for 70 minutes. Once steamed, the burgers should feel tender and much firmer. After steaming them, you can fry them and eat them right away, or let them cool and store them in the freezer to be used later. Congrats, you just made a delicious vegan veggie burger! Deee-licious. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I make future videos. Thank you and bon appetit!